Good morning, children. Earlier I had told you to learn this table on page 99. So please learn at least 3 sources each, then 2 functions and 1 deficiency disease each. Learn it nicely, it's very important. Next is vitamins, and these vitamins are chemical substances needed by our body in very small amount, and they help in keeping our body healthy. And most of the vitamins, they act as catalysts or enzymes. Catalysts, you all know, are the ones which speed up the chemical reactions. So these vitamins, they are used as catalysts or enzymes in essential chemical changes which occur in our body. But each vitamin has also some special function in our body. And these vitamins, they are naturally contained in our food items, and a couple of them, they are synthesized, that is made in our body. And some vitamins like vitamins A, D, E and K, they are fat soluble. Fat soluble means they get dissolved in fat and can be stored in our body for a longer period of time, while the others like the vitamin B, containing several vitamins named B1, B2, etc., and vitamin C, they are water soluble and they can't be stored in our body for longer time. The absence or shortage of vitamins in our diet over a long period of time, when we don't eat vitamins or take in vitamins in our diet for a long time, we suffer from deficiency diseases. And in a low concentration, vitamins have a catalytic and regulatory function in cell metabolism. So when the concentration of vitamins is low, then they act as catalysts and regulate the functions in our body. That is, the making up and the breaking up processes carried up in our body. And excess of vitamins may also be harmful. So when too much of vitamins are there in our body, they are also harmful. And excess water-soluble vitamins are easily excreted, removed from our body. And here again is a table in which various vitamins, then their scientific names also have been mentioned, then their sources, functions and deficiency diseases. You are going to learn their scientific names, then 3 sources, 2 functions and 1 deficiency disease each of this table, and learn this table also nicely. Next we come over to water. Water is indispensable. About 2/3 of our body weight is water. And water serves many functions. Number 1, it acts as a solvent in the body for thousands of substances, both organic and inorganic. Number of substances which are organic or inorganic in nature in our body get dissolved in water. And it is used to produce digestive juices. Then water also helps in transportation of digested foods and oxygen throughout the body. And water is used in excretion of soluble waste. The soluble waste get dissolved in water and are removed from our body. It is involved in the maintenance of body temperature. Even the temperature of our body is maintained by the water. So these are the functions of water which you are going to remember. Then loss and replacement. Water is regularly lost from the body through sweat, urine, and as water vapor in breath. Therefore, it must be constantly replaced, and the liquid liquids which we drink and our foods such as fruits and vegetables which we eat supply water to the body, still we should drink sufficient water every day. So in order to replace that loss of water, we should consume a lot of water every day. So this is about water. Next we come over to the balanced diet. And balanced diet is the one which contains all the principal nutrients of the food in proper quantity. One special aspect of balanced diet is the sufficient number of calories which it provides. And a calorie is the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius. So this is the definition of calorie. Calorie is the amount of heat which is required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree. And in considering the energy value of food, usually the term kilocalorie is used, which is written as KCL, and kilocalorie is 1000 times the unit calorie. If the daily intake of food does not provide sufficient calories, a person would lose weight, as it rapidly happens during fasting. And in that situation, the existing food stores of the body are oxidized and the capacity for work is reduced. And here table is given which shows a diet menu for an adult doing moderate physical work. Then what is his balanced diet? And then the calorie requirement of different people is given here in the table. Next is the malnutrition. It is a condition in which person suffers due to lack or deficiency of one or more essential element of the food. When a person suffers due to deficiency of one or more essential element of the food, then it is called malnutrition. Then importance of cellulose in our diet. Cellulose constitutes the roughage in our food, and roughage is the undigestible portion of the diet, I have already told you, and fruits, vegetables and the outer coats of the seeds and grains, that is the choker of wheat flour, the bura which we called, that are particularly rich in roughage, and the roughage enables the food to move easily through the intestines, and it stimulates secretion from the digestive tract and helps in removal of cholesterol. So even the roughage helps in removal of cholesterol, that is fatty excretory substance, and toxins, that is poisonous substances. Constipation can often be avoided by including sufficient roughage in food. Salad, green vegetables, whole fruits such as guava are not only nutritious but they also provide roughage. So this much is for the lesson.